Hi everyone, Nathan Choi Speedlands here, and I'm still on the GO train. And then next stop will be Pickering, which is ours. But we're still going. Oh my god! With the train still going. I didn't. Oh, there was this tracks below next right there, but they're gone. But I think we don't.
Pickering. This stop is Pickering.
Okay. It just said. It just said that. It just said that we're gonna stop right now. Oh, it's a bumpy. I think. Oh, we're here. We're here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Whoa. Let's get up. Oh. Let's see.
Okay. Are we gonna film it when it's driving off?
Oh my God.
So let's wait here.
Yeah, let's see you driving off.
Stand clear of the doors. The doors are now closing.
416. Well, look. You're on car. 460. Well, we're like 3 cars to the end. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Where's 60? Where's 764? Where's 652? Oh yeah, this! No, 309! Wow, oh my gosh. But I thought that cab car was new, but it wasn't. It just, goodbye.